Feast your eyes on this delicious property. Built by the Ghirardelli chocolate family in Piedmont, California, the home just hit the market for nearly $5.5 million. Located across the bay from San Francisco, the spacious home has 7 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms, in addition to a separate 2-bedroom guest house. The 6,500 square foot main house features a stunning staircase, a living room with a fireplace, and a formal dining room. The library includes built-in shelving, and the enormous kitchen is equipped with sub-zero appliances, a center island, and space for casual dining. Upstairs, you'll find 3 ensuite bedrooms, including the gorgeous master suite. Outside, the serene grounds feature lush gardens, rose bushes, a fireplace, and a patio with a built-in barbecue. And while the home is, unfortunately, not made of chocolate, it definitely looks like one sweet place to live.